everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of Magic Tiles 3. Logging out of Magic Tiles 3 is not a straightforward process. You will not be able to find the log out button within the application. So in order to log out of your application, you will need to delete your application altogether. First, close your application and then go to your app drawer. Simply press and hold the Magic Tiles 3 app icon and tap on Remove App. Tap the delete button twice and you will be able to delete Magic Tiles 3. Once you delete your application, all of the progress and login information will be deleted as well. Now you can reinstall your Magic Tiles 3 application by going to your App Store or your Play Store, and once you log in back again, you will now need to sign in by using your Apple ID or your Facebook account's credentials. So that's how you can easily log out of Magic Tiles 3 within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.